Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm filming from a new place of mine. So I just moved from the West Coast to the East Coast, and currently I live in New York. The space here does matter. Like, all of the apartments in New York are so very small. This is the kitchen of mine currently, and I just arrived into this apartment and I've realized that there is no dishwasher. This is why I've definitely found one on Amazon. This one is by COMFEE, and what's so very good about this one, it's the fact that there is no installation needed and that this one is a portable dishwasher. You guys know that I live alone, so it's like definitely enough for me. It's such a such a compact size of a dishwasher. It's so very easy to use this one. It have no any installation requests. So very easy. You just adding the water, putting the pipe into your sink or into a basket. That's pretty all. You just need to connect it to the electricity and add the water and it works. You actually have two ways of using this dishwasher. So you can use it through putting the water up there as I did, or you can definitely use the inlet house. Connect it to the back of your dishwasher and the other side should go on to your sink. Take this one out and just like put this one up there, and it's gonna take the water directly from the sink. And this is the second way of giving this machine, this dishwasher machine, the water it needs to clean the dishes. I'm gonna use a faucet to connect the water to the dishwasher, and as I already told you guys, there are like actually two ways to do that, so I'm using the faucet way, and I'll show you the manual way, of course. And by the way guys, this dishwasher is an extremely quiet one. And now let me show you the full unboxing of this one. So this is a COMFEE mini countertop dishwasher, and this one works amazing. I love it so very much. It actually changed my life for the better. This is a free of any type of installation mini countertop dishwasher. So if you are living in a small sized apartments area, boat, campers, RV, it's perfect for a single person or for a couples. And it's so very good to wash any of like baby bottles if you are a new mom. So this one is gonna work so very good on that. And the coolest thing about this one is that it is an installation free dishwasher. So there is no any need in any type of installation. It's so very easy. You just need to connect it to the plug-in and you're done. There is no need to worry about plumbing installation or anything like that. No. So it doesn't even require to have a sink. You can use it pretty anywhere. You only need the electricity. So the size of this one is such a compact size, and it's suitable for any type of small spaces, such as any small apartments, dorms, RVs, campers, and so very on. It cannot perfectly fit any limited countertop spaces. So again, this dishwasher can be used anywhere, and there is no need to connect it to the tap water. You can just simply fill it to the built-in water tank, which can contain up to the 5 liters of water. Also, the dishwasher can be hooked directly with the included water hose. I'm choosing the rapid mode. Guys, attention. There is another modes that are drying the dishes, so I choose the rapid mode because I needed to go fast. But please notice that the rapid mode that I used does not have a drying function. It have this high temperature steam wash mode. This program helps so very much with the deep cleaning and the hygiene. Especially, it's so very good and necessary for the baby dishes, baby bottles, and so on. These have to be all sterilized and cleaned so very well. So this dishwasher is doing the job at the best way. It have 5 different washing programs built inside of this dishwasher. 5 convenient pre-programmed washing programs: the normal, the rapid, the steam, the fruit, and the glass program. You definitely can use the standard dishwasher tablets or any type of powder to get the best cleansing result. As I said, I choose the rapid mode, so the washing time in the rapid mode is a very short one. You can choose this mode if you are in a hurry, but since the rapid mode does not have a drying function, you can see that the dishes are still wet after the washing, but the drying option, the drying function, is available in this dishwasher. So it is recommended if you are not in a rush to use the dishwasher in the C1 steam mode, which is the deepest cleaning function and the best mode to clean your dishes. The C1 steam mode have a high temperature steam cleaning function, which is also used to achieve the best cleaning effect. So be definitely sure to use your dishwasher on the C1 steam mode. Also, it have the air refresh function. This one is actually provides the dishes with a circulation of a fresh air just to remove any moisture and odor from the dishes. Is keeping your plates and machine cavity dry. So with this dishwasher, we are gonna definitely have a healthier and more practical lifestyle. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed the unboxing process and the using in action of this dishwasher by COMFEE. So guys, I definitely highly recommend you to check this one out. Again, all of the links are going to be down below in my description box, as well as coupon codes, discount sales, and so very on. This dishwasher is a life changer. I love it so very much because I hate doing dishes by myself. I just hate it. I'm not a dish person, so I usually prefer to eat outside just because I don't want to do the dishes after I finish. So this dishwasher definitely changed my life for the better, and I highly recommend you guys to check this one out. Also, let me know down below in the comments your opinion. Do you use dishwasher? What do you think about a portable dishwasher? Isn't it like the greatest idea ever? Isn't it like the genius thing ever? If you are like me, if you are moving frequently, if you aren't staying at the same place forever, this is gonna do the job so very good. Also, if you do stay in one place like forever, this one is a great way to save your money, to save your place at the kitchen. Like if you have a small kitchen, if you have a big kitchen, not really matters. It is saving your place, your time, and just making your life to be a better one, definitely. So guys, thumbs up for this video of mine, subscribe to my channel, be sure to check out COMFEE dishwasher out. Let me know your opinion down below in the comments, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.